Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel because today we're gonna show you a step-by-step guide on how to add text over an image in Mailchimp, and it is a fantastic way to create engaging and visually appealing email campaigns that grab your subscribers' attention. But before we jump into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and I'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could now wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Okay, so let's get right into it, right? Okay, so adding text over an image can be beneficial for a lot of reasons, especially when it comes to creating a visually appealing and engaging email campaigns. So when you combine text with images, it can create visually striking and attention-grabbing email content, increasing the chances of subscribers noticing and engaging with your message, right? And it allows you to tell a story and convey a specific message more effectively, helping your audience understand the context of purpose of the email. Also, placing text over an image enables you to highlight and making it clear and easy for subscribers to take the desired action, such as like clicking a link or making a purchase. And if you are promoting products or services, adding text over images can provide essential details like pricing information, product descriptions, and it's making it a lot easier for subscribers to learn about your offerings. Text over images is an effective way to promote events, webinars, or workshops by including event details, dates, and registration links directly on the image. And if you're sharing customer testimonials or reviews, overlaying text and images of satisfied customers can help reinforce the credibility and impact the testimonials. Also, emails with visually appealing images and text tends to have like higher engagement rates. It's been proven, and because of that, it can include higher open rates and click-through rates and conversion. So by utilizing text over images creatively, you can set your email campaigns apart from competitors, making your emails more memorable to subscribers. Now, all you gotta do is go to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one, just create. It's super simple and easy, and log in with your credentials. And once you hover down to the interface, all you gotta do is go here where it says content on the left part of the interface or your dashboard. Once you are in the content, just go to My Files. Okay, so when you are there, all you gotta do is click this and view details, right? So go to edit image. All right, so remember, when incorporating text over images in Mailchimp, it's essential to ensure that the text is clear, legible, and complements the overall design of your email, right? And additionally, consider mobile responsiveness to ensure that your text over image elements look great on various devices and screen sizes. So all you gotta do is just paste text here. And that's it. That's a wrap. That's how you add text over image. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.